In our trader rundown today, Todd Bubba Horwitz is here to talk about the market action, and we have had some dramatic action in the market.
Wow, what action. I'll tell you, it's been crazy.
And traders are loving this.
No, if you're a trader, you'll love this kind of action because volatility and market movement is what we would call the great forgiver. You make a bad trade, you have a chance to get out. Obviously, investors aren't real keen on this because it forces them a lot of times to make decisions they may not want to make. You know, when the markets were down on Tuesday night, down 800, people were very nervous, and of course they rallied all the way back. But the deal is, if you're trading, you're in and out actively, so you're trying to get movement, and you can make a lot of money with risking a little bit. When you're investing, you don't want to see those major spikes up or down. You want to see a nice steady incline, so it's been great for traders.
What are your trades then?
Well, I think you have to look at the bond market. I think you have to look at Apple. I think you got to look at a lot of different things here. I think you got to wait and let this, as a trade, you want to let the market settle out a little bit. We still got some earnings coming in here. We want to let the news kind of resonate. You know, we had an unbelievable dramatic recovery from S&P's down limit to up over 20 points. And that's something that you want to kind of watch to find if we're going to identify the next trend, because we're still really in this big range. And I think you want to look for some things to buy. But overall, I think it's better to sit back and wait and let these markets kind of funnel out here as we come to the end of the week and kind of figure out what's going to be going forward. Because again, there's a lot of things that can still go wrong, and I think the markets still want to work their way lower. I think you still look to short gold. I think you still look to oil at 40, which is like 43, 44. So you want to wait for these opportunities. You don't want to rush in here because they're going to be much bigger moves right now.
Were you surprised by the rally yesterday, and what was that all about?
You know, I was really surprised, and I think the street had it wrong once again. They oversold it so much into the election, thinking that Donald Trump would be bad for the markets. As it turns out, Donald Trump is looking like he's going to be good for the markets because you saw the healthcare stocks taking off to a good run. You saw the banking stocks going off. You saw all these industries that have been adversely affected previously now starting to catch a bid. I think you're going to start to see if he's really good. But the bottom line is we're still going to have a little bit of a sell-off. I know we're excited right now, and I see the market's doing that dramatic recovery, but I think you still look for a little bit of a correction because the markets are due and they need to be corrected because it's really healthier for the market overall.
Thanks as always, and have a great trading day.
Thank you.